Hi, I'm Madonna from New Leaf Natural Therapies. I just quickly wanted to mention some of the benefits that we find with people who do the HCG program. Firstly, it's a hugely detoxifying process. So because you can lose 7 to 12 kilos within a 3 to 6 week period really quite quickly, you can imagine that amount of fatty acids moving through your body requires detoxification. Otherwise, your liver or your kidneys or other cells of the body can actually absorb the toxins. So we need to be looking at something throughout the process to help to detoxify, whether it's activated B vitamins, whether it's things that whether it's greens, whether it's things that support the liver and kidney processes, whatever, probiotics, whatever it is, you need to work out what it is for an individual and sort of help that process along. Otherwise, you'll end up finding that the weight comes back on again. Another thing is the emotional detox process. So your body can actually store old emotional processes within your fat tissue as well. So you need to be careful of that as you're going through the HCG process. Are you feeling old emotions that aren't helping you get the most out of your weight loss? Because once again, that can bring on those feelings of cravings and needing to nurture yourself, and therefore you start sabotaging the process. So do you need something like acupuncture, universal consciousness, kinesiology, DNA balancing, Reiki throughout the process so that you don't go backwards? Another thing is that the HCG process done correctly is a hormonal balancing process. So because it works through the hypothalamus in the brain, the hypothalamus has a really major effect on many systems of the body. So therefore you may find that things like digestive functions work better, or hormonal functions work better, the endocrine system, the adrenals, the menstrual cycles, all sorts of things. So don't just think it's just a weight loss process. If it's done correctly, it can be hugely beneficial. Talk soon. Bye.